Dom here from Essential RC, thanks for tuning in for another flight test. So the continuing story with the FMS Fox. You will have seen last time out that we had the FPV mounted on one of our pan tilt gimbals here on the wing, which was nice. It wasn't bad, but when you wanted to pan to the left, it was over here actually, when you wanted to pan to the left you had the canopy in the way. So I thought we'd try somewhere different, and Jason was fantastic because he helped me out here. Thanks, Jay.
No problem.
He created, look at this pan tilt on the vertical stabiliser, which looks really good. So I'm hoping that that view will give us a whole background, of, foreground of the wings and the forward fuselage with the whole landscape in front of me. Should look really, really good, I think. So we're going to try that out. Before I do fly, I want to again thank VR Wave. These guys provide the lenses that I put in my FPV goggles, because I wear glasses and you can't wear, well, there's a risk. If you wear your glasses with your FPV goggles, you're going to damage the lenses in here, and these cost 550, 600 quid.
Yeah, they're pretty expensive.
They're pretty expensive. You don't want to risk damaging them. So these little lenses, all you do is you go onto their website, you put in your prescription, which you should be able to get from your optician, and then a couple of weeks later you'll get your lenses, which just drop into your DJI FPV goggles. Fantastic. And then you will never have to wear your spectacles, your glasses with your FPV goggles ever again. So worth looking at if you do wear glasses.
What are they called, Dom?
A VR Wave.
VR Wave.
VR Wave prescription lenses. All the details in the video description. Right, but that being said, let's get this in the air and see what it looks like. Control surface check. Elevator up.
Yeah.
Left aileron up.
Yeah.
Right aileron down. Flaps down. Yeah, all good. All right. 3, 2, 1.
How's the view, Dom?
Already I am loving the view.
Yeah.
I'm just going to get some height. So just about 400 feet, and we'll turn back. Just turn down my rates.
It's going pretty slow.
Yeah, need to trim down. That's good. That's better. So yeah, up and down.
Turn left or right so they don't fly over us. Is it?
Left and right. How good is that?
Is it good?
It is. It's amazing.
I can't see it at the moment. Which is...
I know you can't. And
I have to wait
you
like
will.
everybody else.
Now, I think this is brilliant. I think this is, even if the canopy, the plastic in the canopy, even if it was good enough to put the camera, the FPV camera in there, which it's not, I still wouldn't do that. I still think this is better. It's just amazing seeing the wings.
It's almost like flying third person, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so good. So there we are, over there. Is that Carl arriving?
It
in
is,
his red
yeah,
car?
Yeah. Carl has arrived. You can go up to a couple of thousand feet. Because my job stood here next to you is to keep an eye out for air traffic.
Yeah.
And to ensure that you do not crash into
Joking
another
aside,
plane.
and
Yeah.
it's no joke because we are sharing airspace with full-size aircraft that are carrying people. So
Yeah.
the last thing you'd want to do if you take this hobby seriously is risk a collision with a full-size aircraft. You can hear engines in airplanes most of the time on this site, can't you? So it really is a must. to have a spotter who is keeping a lookout for air traffic. So because if you are above, I mean, what's the lowest that a full-size aircraft is supposed to fly?
Technically 500 feet.
500 feet. So we're, above 400 feet, you need to keep a really good lookout.
But there are plenty of reasons why they legitimately can come below it. And that might be avoiding other traffic. Or practicing an engine failure, simulated engine failure.
Yeah.
They can come below, things like that. So we do have to be careful. We are in the middle of several airfields here as well.
Well, where in the UK isn't?
Yeah, absolutely.
Where am I now, Jay?
You're in front of us, but you're a fair way out now, to be fair. Use your little arrow to come home.
I have got this arrow back to home on my on-screen display in my goggles, which unfortunately DJI system doesn't allow me to record that. Beautiful. Another loop.
We've been gliding this entire time.
Yeah.
Right. It does, yeah.
It's one of those rare days.
Given that this weekend is supposed to be a storm. Oh, nice stall there, bro.
Yeah. Try that out. Oh, I see the field now. So easy to lose your bearings. So this OSD arrow is kind of fundamental to being able to get back. But your spotter should be able to see you and help you get back
I can
anyway.
guide you back. Yeah. So that's a better view we're going with.
Yeah, oh, it's awesome. It's the best view that we've had with this by a long way.
Now you can hear it.
Alright, I'm coming for a landing. Now, with this, I too have tended to land too slow.
Yeah, I'll tell you if you need more power speed.
40.
I'll call your altitude as well.
Above trees.
Oh yeah, twice.
Since we're doing 30 miles an hour.
Trees high. Looking good. Keep the nose down a little bit. That's it. Looking good. 6 foot, 4 foot, 3 foot, 2 foot, 1 foot. Down. Look at that.
Oh, brilliant!
How was it, Dom? With your slightly sketchy looking face?
That was absolutely fantastic. I'm just blown away. So important to have a spotter to look out for other full-size traffic. But yeah, it's just on a different level flying FPV. But to have the foreground, which is the part of the fuselage and the wings, being able to see that and being able to see the whole beautiful scenery that we have here in Hampshire, it just doesn't get any better than that. I'm really looking forward to doing this on a blue sky day, when we and actually, more importantly, getting James and you out with your gliders so that we can all fly formation. That would be absolutely fantastic. So thanks for watching this. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. And the most important thing is please give us a thumbs up, a like. Be really appreciated. It means that the mysterious YouTube algorithm pushes out our content a little bit further to people who might be interested in it. But thanks to Jason, especially for doing that gimbal, mate.
No worries.
We will put that on the Essential RC eBay shop, because if you get an FMS 3-metre Fox and you're interested in doing FPV, this is where it's at. I think it really, really is good. So there you go. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Cheers.
See you soon.